జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. Hanuma saying to Sita Devi like this: "Oh Sitamma, after I go back, what do you want me to tell Rama, Lakshmana, Sugriva and all the Vanaras on your behalf?" When Hanuma asked like that, Sitamma immediately moved to tears, and while the tears are rolling in the eyes, Sitamma saying to Hanuma like this: "O Hanuma, Kausalya lokabhartaram sushuveyam manasvini tammamardhe sukham prucha sirasacha abhivadaya." Please tell Rama that I am doing namaskaram. I am bowing my head to Rama, who is the son of Kausalya Devi, who is the master of all the worlds. And also Hanuma, on my behalf, tell Rama that I am asking Rama, how are you doing? And also Hanuma, now about my Lakshmana. He is such a wonderful man. He gave up all of his wealth and everything. He left his wife Urmila and he came along with his brother Ramachandra Swami. He convinced everyone, his mother, his father, everyone, and followed Rama. Oh Hanuma, to Lakshmana, Rama is everything. Lakshmana's pranam is Rama. Lakshmana has exceeding amount of bhakti in Rama. Lakshmana left all of his comforts, pleasures, everything, and followed along with Rama and entered into dreadful forests. For his brother he did so much. He is doing so much. Lakshmana is very nice one. Oh Hanuma, he would never hurt anyone. And he felt that Rama is his father. Pitruvat vartate Rame, matruvat mam samacharan. He treats me as his mother. He treats Rama as his father. And Lakshmana speaks very less. Whatever the work is given to Lakshmana, he does very efficiently. And he never hurted me. And while Lakshmana is there along with Rama, I am sure that Rama would never even remember his father Dasaratha Maharaj. To that extent, Lakshmana takes care of Rama. Oh Hanuma, now tell Lakshmana that I am asking, oh Lakshmana, how are you? Like that, while Sita Devi conveying messages and saying to Hanuma, Sita Devi moving to tears and now saying to Hanuma like this: Hanuma, whatever supposed to be done, you do that and get me out of these troubles. Whatever needs to do to get rid of all these troubles of me, please do that. I know you are very efficient in doing such kind of great things. Tvamasmin karya niryoge pramanam harisattama. You are very excellent and efficient one in doing such great things to remove my troubles. Please do that. Like that, Sita Devi requesting Hanuma. Sitamma saying to Hanuma, "O Hanuma, tvamasmin karya niryoge pramanam harisattama." O Hanuma, whatever supposed to be done, please do that so that I can be relieved from these sufferings. And you are only the one who can do all those things. O Hanuma, and also please convey my message to Rama like this: O Rama, Jeevitam dharayishyami masam Dasarathatmaja. O Rama, I can be alive only for 1 more month. Once that 1 month is done, I am not going to be alive anymore. O Rama, Satyenaham bravimite, I am telling you the truth, I swear. Oh Rama, please protect me. Like that, Sita Devi, while crying, giving that message to Hanuma to convey that message to Rama, and then Sita Devi, Tato Vastragatam Muktva Divyam Chudamanim Subham. Sitamma has taken Chudamani, the ring, from her sari, and then she is now giving to Hanuma to give that one to Rama. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.